Hi, so in the car blower video we took this out of a scrap Nissan that I happen to have, and it's the AC blower. Now it's two bits, there's a pancake motor there and then there's the rotor. There's no chance that rotor is going to be able to turn that motor, the motor's just too heavy. So what we did with that was stick it on a lighter motor and give that a go. But what I really want to do obviously is get that turning. Now the way to get that turning is really to make a larger rotor, and I happen to have this thing, which is a large piece of acrylic that I've cut in a circle. I also have a whole bunch of these, which are slats from Venetian blind. They're plastic Venetian blind and they're these little half moon slats from them. And the idea here is to cut those slats into shape and stick them around the edge to make that. Now that is going to be a tedious job and it's going to be not much fun, I guess, but you know, jobs like that don't get done by talking about them. So let's cut some sections of that slats, glue them around the edge and see if we can make ourselves a rotor. Okay, you've got to laugh at some things, haven't you? Turns out it wasn't that bad. You can see what I've done. All I've done is super glued these on. I took the Venetian blind and cut it into strips that long. They're 6 centimetres. Super glued them on and then glued this plastic piece on the top just by putting super glue on and dropped the plastic piece on, turning it upside down. I've also made a cone here that I've put in the centre, which again is made out of clear plastic, and I've sellotaped it on because I want to be able to take that off. And then I've just bolted the motor onto the back, and that's it finished really. So now it's time to give it a quick spin up and see what happens. So there you go, it really is possible to make a wind generator out of a blower motor and a Venetian blind. I thought I'd share that with you because I thought it was awesome, to be honest, and just a good fun project. I hope it was of interest and thank you very much for watching.